Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing hardware. Connect the Xbox 360 wireless receiver to a powered USB adapter for your iPad, or use a wired Xbox 360 controller with a Lightning/USB-C adapter. Once done, make sure the controller is charged and the receiver has power, otherwise pairing fails. You do this now because iPad OS does not natively support the Xbox 360 protocol, so an intermediary USB adapter, or special receiver, is required to translate signal. You plug the receiver or wired controller into the adapter, then into the iPad. Accept any USB permission prompts. Next, open a controller-compatible app or game and look in its input settings to detect the controller. If detection doesn't occur immediately, press the controller's sync or Xbox button briefly to wake it, then hold longer to initiate pairing. Once detected, map buttons in-app because automatic mapping can be inconsistent. Doing so ensures your actions match on-screen controls and avoids input lag. You finish by testing every button and joystick in a game or diagnostic screen to confirm full functionality. If inputs are missing or laggy, unplug and reseat the adapter, then reboot the iPad to clear USB states. Make sure the app and iPad OS are updated because compatibility patches matter. If problems persist, swap the USB adapter or try the controller on another device to isolate hardware faults. This one troubleshooting step usually tells you whether the issue is the adapter, receiver, or the iPad itself.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.